Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to share a beautiful eye makeup look without any makeup brushes. I only use earbuds and my fingers to do this eye makeup. So without further ado, let's get started. So firstly I do eyebrows with the eyebrow pencil, and then I use hodded with Love eyeshadow palette, and I use a nude shade with this earbud. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I blend the eyeshadow with my fingers very well. And also the earbuds. And then I use a yellow shimmer color and a middle section, and I use a black eyeshadow and a lower waterline, and then I use mascara. I don't use any eyeliner. And don't forget to highlight your eyebrow corner and eye corner. Thanks for watching the video, and follow me for more eye makeup tutorials and makeup tutorials.